everyone, this is Lee and Curly with Curly's Hunting. Today we're going to be putting together 10 frame CYPRESS hive boxes, and I'm going to go through the steps that I do to put these boxes together. Please follow along. First thing we're going to do is drill our hole, pre-drill all of our holes using a 7/64 drill bit. Okay, once we pre-drill all our holes, now we are ready to put the glue onto our boards, and then we will place those together. You always want to make sure when you're putting your boxes together that you make sure the hand holes are on the outside. Okay. We're going to use our clamps to clamp our boxes together. Okay, we are using number 8 by 2 inch screws. And now we just start screwing it together. I always try to pull the edge that's not completely together on the box. I try to look and pull it in first. Once I get several screws into the box, and I go ahead and remove my clamps. And you can use different kind of clamps or squeeze clamps. These are just what I have on hand, what I've been using. Now I'll finish putting the rest of my screws in. Okay, the top holes you want to be sure and use a little bit smaller. These are number 8s by 1 5/8, and you want to go real slow when you're putting these in so that you don't split this little bitty piece of wood up here. Because it will split. Okay, now we have our box screwed together, and it is square, it is level, and I will put in the description the type of screws I used, the size I used, and the drill bit I used on this CYPRESS wood. Just always be sure you pre-drill all your holes, and make sure you use the smaller screws in the top holes, because it will split if you use the 8 by 2 inch screws. We hope you enjoyed our video.
If you enjoyed our video, leave us a like.
If you really enjoyed our video, please subscribe to our channel.
If you really enjoyed our video, click the bell to receive a notification every time we release a new video.
Thank you. God bless.
Have a good day.